What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today's gonna be a simple kind of video, in the meantime just gonna make this till I can get back into like my original content and like the good and like juicy content, if you know. So we're gonna be cleaning my daily today. I have a 2022 Lexus IS 350F Sport, and I'm not gonna clean the outside because it's literally been pouring today, and it's not raining anymore right now. And it was raining yesterday, and it's raining tomorrow, and the next week it's gonna be raining. So there's no point in washing the outside. Why did the car just do that? I didn't even press it. That's so weird. I did have it listed for sale, but nobody wants to buy it, but I'm still need to take care of it. The inside, I'm not gonna lie, like it is so messy. The back seat, the front seat, the trunk, everywhere. I have not cleaned this car out in about 2 months now, because I had cleaned it, like deep cleaned it really good and everything, I think like 2 weeks before I gave birth. If you don't know, I just had a baby about almost 2 months ago, and the inside is like look like a tornado hit it. I'm not even gonna lie, like it is normal, like, you know, people have messy cars, so like I'm not like ashamed of that or anything. So anyways, we're gonna clean the inside of it today and like really give it a deep clean, and I'm gonna show you guys it and yada yada yada. I'm gonna try and hold myself accountable on YouTube. I do really good at posting on Instagram and Facebook consistently, so if you don't follow me there, go follow me there. But dude, it keeps buttoning. But on YouTube you have to put a little more in work. But tomorrow is, let me see. Oh, you called me. I didn't know you called me.
We know you didn't care about
No, my phone doesn't. Girl, shut up. What happened? If it even fits her head. She is so, oh my god. She's so cute. You my little Stitch. You my little Stitch. Look at her stinking cute little Stitch fit. Okay, so the baby's going on a walk with her mom. Anyways, so it is October 3rd tomorrow. Today's the 2nd, right? Today's the 2nd? Yeah. Tomorrow's the 3rd. You can hear her because she's hungry. Oh no, she's fine now, I think. Oh, she got picked up. Anyways, so tomorrow's the 3rd. I'm gonna have this uploaded and probably a few more uploaded. I'm gonna try and record stuff. And I'm going to try my best, okay? Don't hold me too much accountable, but hold me accountable to post every single day of October and ongoing. So like October, November, December, like for now on, I'm gonna try and post every day, but I'm gonna start it out with October and see like if I can do it. So I'm gonna try it. I did post, so I'm gonna start tomorrow the 3rd because I think I posted the other day. And then I'll show you guys the Lexus. So here's my Lexus. Alea seems pissed off. Poor girl, she's hella mad. So here's this right now. The front's not that bad. Everything kind of gets thrown in the back. Here's the Lexus. We have a bunch of stuff, and then I need to throw that food away and shoes. So as you can see, all that. Got my standing tripod, so it's like easier to record. So I'm gonna start with clearing everything out of the car. So we're gonna clear everything out because it's literally like a freaking huge ass mess. I'm not even gonna lie. So I did get a trash bag, and I'm gonna start with removing all like clothes items, and I'm gonna bring it inside and go through it. So that's what I'm gonna start with. So as you can see, this trunk, literally, I'm gonna leave our blanket in here because we do go to the park sometimes and have like picnics and stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave that. And the shoes in here, sandals. So here's like all this. So now that's done, and this is all the garbage I have so far. Now I need to start on the inside and throw it out. I'm trying to hurry up so I can at least make like 2 more other videos so I can kind of be ahead like on my content, so I can keep putting it out. I have all this garbage. Let's start with that. We did get food today from this place in Sacramento because we went grocery shopping, and like the food, you know when you get food and it like just stinks? This shit literally stinks and it's making me sick. Something, all this. And the diapers you guys see, they're not used diapers. They are clean and like unused diapers, but they've been on the floor, so I'm not gonna put them on her because like they've been on the floor. So I'm throwing all that away. So, like all this, bro. I don't even know. All because of me, honestly. Let me see if I can really. This is to my pump, but it's kind of dirty, so I'm just gonna throw it away. All these receipts. Juju's birthday also is coming up, but is she talking to someone? Let me see. Anyways, Juju's birthday is coming up, and I did order her 1 gift so far. So I'm gonna get her a gift, obviously, from me, and then I'm gonna get her a gift, obviously, from our daughter, Alea. So I got her something, like, really cute that's gonna come from Alea that's, like, sentimental and that's, like, meaningful. Myself, it's so hard because I feel like I get the same things, like, almost every year. So I want to do something different. I do want it to be for her birthday, but I don't know what I want to do yet. If you guys have any suggestions, what should I get her? I don't know. Because I don't know. So we have all these clothes in here and socks. So I'm gonna throw away these 2 bags. Okay guys, so I finally took everything out of the car, and I'm not even kidding. Like, the trash has kind of a lot in it now. And this was all in the Lexus. This whole bag of clothes for me, all of my shoes, actually majority of my shoes besides those ones, all of this, that literally so, oh my god, I have the hiccups now, so much. Now I'm finally gonna vacuum it, and I cannot let the car get like this again because it low-key like drives me crazy. So we're gonna start with the front. I'm gonna vacuum. Look at all that. Terrible, right? I know, dirty. I found all my bags of wipes. We've been wondering what happened to all of our wipes, and we were talking about it this morning. We were like, we keep opening new packs of wipes and we don't know where they're going. Girl, they've been in the car. I don't know how. I think we take them out and then we leave it out of the diaper bag, and then we go inside and we're like, where the heck are the wipes? Anyways, time to vacuum. Okay, so I just finished vacuuming the whole car, and it was so freaking dirty, so much going on. And then I have a whole mess in the garage now. It took me a little longer because a neighbor came and stopped and talked to us, and we bought her granddaughter or something. Anyways, now I'm gonna wipe down everything, and then I'm gonna have to bring everything in. But I know this video was probably kind of boring, but I'm gonna put better out there. I just wanted to make a quick little video with you guys, give a little update, whatever the case is. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wipe the inside down. I don't know if I'm gonna record it or not. If I do record it, then you'll see it. If I don't, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.